Today we're going to define what a primary document is and talk about some of the differences between an archival collection and a museum collection. This is important because many grant programs only offer funding for archival collections. Sometimes applicants get this confused with artifact-based collections in museums. So what's the difference between an archive and a museum? It can be confusing since some museums and libraries have archives, while some archives are standalone. Let's break it down. Simply put, libraries usually have published materials like this book, museums have artifacts like this toy, and archives have one-of-a-kind primary documents. Another common question is the difference between a document and an object. This might seem obvious, but there's a lot of debate over the precise definition. A document or record is a piece of written, printed, or electronic matter that provides information or evidence that serves as an official record. An artifact or object can be anything made by a human being, not just something that's written. Not really sure what this is. Typically, these are items of cultural or historical interest, and they can be mass-produced or original. Another important distinction is between records and non-records. For example, a grocery receipt is typically a non-record, whereas a diary entry about going to the grocery store during a pandemic would be a record. Knowing the difference between records and non-records is an important part of archiving. You don't want to keep non-records forever. Well, that about does it for this episode, but remember, no matter whether you're a library, a museum, or a standalone archive, the work you're doing is important and appreciated. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to check out the rest of this series at SaveMichiganHistory.org. What is it?